Every hood got their own hustlers. But this is the hustler's anthem. Hustle hard.
Hello, welcome to another day of Travel Adventures. Heading out up on a boat. We have so much to accomplish. Hopefully we can get everything done. We need to finish the inspection so we can finish with tour application. We need it. So I'm at the library. I'm gonna print some stuff now. Hopefully get them open later. So I just print the thing, we print a no smoking sign. I print a card to make a poster and I put on that. It don't really print good, the color and night kind of no print good, but anyway, we're not sweat it. I go around here so I see if I can get the no smoking sign laminate. Actually you're frying me, what look at Jesus and peas and the most I laugh after me and I say I'm mad. So make sure you not laugh after me, anyone laugh after me, not good enough free riding a traveler. Anyways, I'm going to trim you now. I'm going to trim. Just done trim. I'm going to see if I get the map now. I'm going to go down at this and see if I get a map. If I don't get a map, I don't know when I'm going to get a map, but I'm going to try to get a map though. Over the three there, we need a book so we can understand all the things they want on. Here, Shan. So I get the stuff, no smoking sign and thing. I leave now, we'll link up with the other driver so we can get the car, go change the tire them, and go inspection later. And I'll just stay there and watch the tire change it because I cut other things to do. So I'm at tire warehouse, so finally I get the stuff done. I wait for the brother to carry the car because it might take too long because I don't have much time. But we are going to hold it. I have a little snack and a biscuit, Shan style. Snack and biscuit, Doritos and water. But we are waiting to see. Hurry up and come, brother. There, the tire place. See the rim them. Imagine Traveler come pick up in a big spinning rims. Rim them are normal. Yeah. So they are tear off tire after machine. See the tire left. There. This is a traveler machine already. Run up and down with what there. Remember that sticker? Yeah? Bubble sticker. You remember it. Mark him face. See my road and know him. So the plate and come on panic and we string them together. With the seat. And we have the map, we have all kind of things in there. So I get ready to leave. Just drop in a no smoking sign and them little thing there. Alright. Cut you now, I go capitally. I'm going to deal with something for that developer youth there. So let's go and big up Traveler, go on, we are putting the work, So I decided to take a stop and get something to eat. I take baked chicken because I'm tired, I feel other chicken and I make me get fat. Just get food, we're going to eat here, we're going to eat soon. I'm going to capitally. To deal with some stuff. I have to go on second, I have to go on different capital, adapted capital. Oh shoot, I don't have the data. I go check. Can check it? Yeah, I can check it now. Yeah, capital here now, I go inside. Belly full, I just eat. Belly full. I don't buy no more squeeze. I don't like squeeze. Leave capital. Tired of capital now, I'm tired. So, I go back home and get ready for go school later. So, getting some more work done and then we go school later. So, see you. Out for school now. Yes, hurry up and reach a school now.
Not a joke. Hey, taxi man them for no say a hustle man a hustle. Get a youth them a hustle, To all the stall vendors and the higglers. Hustle man a hustle. Want the food, so I hustle man a hustle. We not stop from trying. We must reach, mama don't cry. I tell Believe me now. Well man, want money in them pocket, all who have gun go lock it. Violence and crime rate to no fi drop it, cause man want food. Hustling, hustling. One day me say me must get rich money. In the safe invest just in case. I fi make sure me build my base. Man want food. Hustling, hustling. One day me say me must get rich. Well, the drinks man a free. Me want some of the money from RBTT. Me want me one a radio station, plus me one a signal TV. Cause money no grow up on tree. So me hustle hard in the streets. For the food, for the loot, cause me youths have to eat. Make a move, and prove, say the youths now fi take up none gun. On the grind all the time, cause better must come, yeah. Man want money in them pocket, all who have gun go lock it. Violence and crime rate to no fi drop it, cause man want food. Hustling, hustling.
So, we reach a school. I link up with a youth to give him something. Class not start yet, at 5 o'clock class supposed to start. So I'm late, I'm early-ish. Class will start now, I'm there, ready. Sure, chill. Tell us stuff, tell us stuff. Class done. Done, you know. Yeah, get ready for the cut. And they are done. Good night from TravelrAdventures and see you tomorrow.